Do you have a presentation soon or some important document that can use a good visual and you want something different than the standard slides to really look professional? Then take my mini course on PowerPoint and make some beautiful 3D architectures and workflows, because a picture says more than 1,000 words. Don't take my word on it, look at some reactions at the attendees of the virtual Power BI conference. In the mini course I will show you how you make this kind of 3D templates under the 20 minutes. Of course you get also the standard template and some background information. You can watch and rewatch whenever you like. It's an online platform. I will add more templates from my consultancy journey in the future. I'm thrilled to let you look like a professional. Have fun!